How to turn on location services on your iPhone. Let's get started. For that, first of all, simply open up Settings application. Inside your scroll down, then tap on Privacy and Security. Just like that, here you will be able to find location services. Simply tap onto it and make sure location services toggle is on. Turning this off disables things like location-based apps and features, so make sure it stays enabled. Now, if location services is on but still not working for a specific app, scroll down and then tap on the app name, and then make sure the app has the permission set to while using the app or always, depending on what you need. This usually fixes most location-related issues. If it's not working, head back to your settings, scroll upward, then tap on General, scroll below, tap on Date and Time, and make sure Set Automatically is turned on. Incorrect date and time settings can often interfere with location services. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.